Hello. Alright, so welcome back to today's update. So before I start, I'm gonna show you my trades that I've done. So this is the second day. I have to start doing today's trade. So I finished second trade, that was the first trade, and this was the second trade. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a challenge, $10,000 for 90 days. Actually, I'm gonna do 95 days. So if I do 95 days, every day 5%, I will reach $1 million in 3 months, right? So currently I am in second day, and today's the third day, so I have to start trading again. So I've reached the second day profit, and this is my trade history. So if I go to 1 month, so for now I've traded about 13-14 times, and I was able to make a profit every single trade so far. Okay, so that's my trade so far, and so let's go into Bitcoin update now. So currently I have two important this is a very important turning point right now. Okay, so this is in the middle of turning point, excuse me. So if you look at my opinion, so let's see. So it's between this one or this one. So after zigzag, right? Have I explained it here? Where's the English version of it? I haven't written English version of it. Okay, there you go. So there are 3 possibilities after zigzag is finished, right? So I expected a zigzag, and it was a zigzag in the end, right? So we were here, and then I expected one more up to 41k. And then it went up, and then it went down, right? So 41k was in my regular opinion channel, I believe. Let me check. Right here, right? 41.3, and it actually reached, and it's going down, right? So after that, there were 3 possibilities that could happen. One was a X wave connecting to correction, right? So it could be finished right now, and then we are going down, or it could be we are in middle of X wave, and the zigzag was just a wave of the X wave. Okay, so we could be just finished the B wave and going up, or it could be just finished X wave and then going down. So how do you compare the two then? So the only way we can compare the two is if this wave is an impulse or ABC. Okay, so that was a clear zigzag, right? And then if it was a ABC correction coming down, so this would have been A, this would have been B, and this price was also predicted by me, right? If you go to my regular opinion channel, if you go to the most recent one, the price of the support zone was here and here, and the last one was at this price, right? Around 35k up to this zone right here. So right here. So if you followed my opinion, you were able to take long position here. So I actually did take long position here, and then I made profits. And so if this line is broken, if this price is broken and going down one more time, this will be considered an impulse. Okay, however, if it goes up here, creating an impulse and breaking this price, which is the first A or impulse, right? Then we could be facing uptrend. Okay, so we are at a very important turning point, so you have to I don't recommend you to trade. I'm not trading currently, so how I traded last night or yesterday, I will show you. So this played in a very beautiful pattern. So for example, this was a moving in a channel, right? So very easy. If it goes up, you take short, take short, take short, take short, take short. Very easy, right? Also in the middle line is also supporting and resisting zone, and also if you take Fibonacci of the whole uptrend, you will see that each pip zone actually did a good support. Oh, this one was a very short one, but this one also break easily, but this one played out, right? And made as a resistant. Okay, so other than that, also you have to take another Fibonacci for either the A wave or impulse 1 wave. And if you take the Fibonacci extension zone, and wherever it overlaps is a very strong zone. Okay, so this is how I traded. And also if you go to smaller time frame, last night I traded, let me see. Yes, right here. I actually did go in at this price right here. And I sold all my short position here. So I went in short here and then I took profit here. Pretty sure I took long position here and then did a very short one. Let me check. So if I go to a order history, trade history, open short was, where was it? 35790. So 35. So it should be around here, 35790 right here, right? So I went in short this price, and then since it broke the bottom trend and then it went to a, it was I think the golden zone right here, 382 area, right? 382 area. So I took all my profit here, which was right, so 35400, 35430, yes, around here. So I took my last full profit here, and then after that I went to sleep. So and then I actually did trading on my other account where I went in short position here. I believe, I can't remember exactly, let me just go to check. I went in short position at 36,200, and then I took it out at 36,300, and then I took it out at, again, 612. This, I took off my full profit here. This isn't in a different account, so I don't have it here, but anyways, so that's how I traded. Other than that, let me see. So yes, big time frame where the Bitcoin might be heading currently will be either A, B, C, going up, then so resisted here and then going down, right? And then going back up. So this will be visited. I think this will be visited at least once. So this price right here, 25 to 28k is my target zone. However, if this was a zigzag and finished ABC and going down, also this zone will be visited. So whether it goes up now or it drops now right away, same thing. I think this price will be my target zone where I will collect all my altcoins. So for now, if you're trading on a lower time frame, I would recommend you to wait for this correction to be finished, and if it breaks this bottom or if it goes up and then breaks this price. Okay, so right now it could be ABC or it could be 1 2 3. So right now, whatever it is, this was a good price to go in because this was a price where it will have correction, either it's 4 or going up as C, right? So whether my opinion is correct or wrong, there are places where you can make money, like how I make, right? So just doing a TA is looking for a long-term predictions where the chart might be heading, right? And what the current trend will be. So important trend line for now. Important trend line will be, as I said before, will be this one. Okay, so this is a important trend line for now that you have to remember. And of course this bottom trend line, and also this trend line was another important one. This is also where I was able to take short position while I was sleeping. Okay, so I put short position right here because I knew that it wouldn't break this two trend line, and it will be resisted at least once before it goes back up. Okay, so not only that, you have to make sure that you check your stochastics and your moving average and so on and so on. Let's check my so right now, if you look at my signals or my indicator, you are seeing that it is getting resisted from the moving average, right? It broke, but also resisted 3 times and then going back down. So if it goes down again, it will be resisted and going down. So these were amazing signals. So these are good profits. Okay, this is 15 minutes. So let's see if you went in price here. This would have been, if you went while I do 10 times. So this would have been around 16% profit. So if you put in 10,000, that would have been $1,600 profit, right? If you did 10 times, that would have been $16,000 profit just from this trade. Also same thing here and same thing here. And you might question, where is the short signal? So if you go to BS point, you make sure you check both EMA and BS signal when you're trading. Okay, so for example, this was a good trade, right? So signal plus BS signal, boom 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 boom, easy, right? There was one here, signal plus signal, but this one was very not good. So here you would have had to take up position right away. So what I usually tell people is, when the volume is increasing, don't trade under 15 minutes. Always trade over 1 hour, right? So if you go to 1 hour, there is no signal, right? Volume pumping. Let's see. After volume pumping, this was only the signal right here. So that was also good trade. This was also a good trade. Let's go to 30 minutes and see. Actually, you're not supposed to check Binance. XBT USD. You're supposed to look at this chart only. So you are able to see that there are some differences, right? You are able to see that there were sell signals actually, and also buy signals here. Also at the very, not very bottom actually, right here. Also sell signals here. That was divergence. So divergence happening here and here, meaning there will be corrections before going back up, right? Yeah, so very good. So that's it, I think, so far today's update on Bitcoin. So if I conclude again, so I would recommend you to wait until whether it plays out and then see if it breaks again, goes down. Then this will be another long position and then going down again. So ABC, right? Or if it's going up, it will be impulse. So 1, 2, not breaking this price, 3, okay? With the high volume, this decreasing volume will be broken. Okay, so we are in the middle of changing place. So okay, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.